Alpharetta is waiting for you. Alpharetta is waiting for you. Look at this behind of me. One of the most luxurious house is coming soon. It's not on the market. It's part of my private list. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites houses in Alpharetta. This house has 6 rooms, 6 huge rooms. Each room has a private bath. Amazing, luxurious, fancy. Follow me and let's check it out, every details. In this house, you don't have HOA. You have a great driveway, minimum for approximately 10 cars outside, a little less, 8 cars. Has 3-car garage. Look at this design of this house. This house has more than 5,000 square foot of pure luxury, This house in 3 weeks will be ready for the market. We are do something to special for you. The final details, follow me. Whole the area of this house is more than a half an acre. Let me show you all of this part. First of all, look at this color. I like it. All of this, so quiet this area. Quiet area, top tier area, just like 6 minutes away from the from Avalon, from the downtown Alpharetta. Look at this fall of the backyard. That's great. I like it. I like this private resort over here. Private resort, private views. I love it. From my opinion, this is one of the most growing this neighborhood are growing faster. When you enter from the main route, you are seeing more than 3 luxury houses just in this neighborhood. It is amazing. Look at these guys. From here you have Milton. In Milton, the minimum prices of the house is 3 million. The minimum prices. This house in less than 5 years will be minimum in 3 millions or a little more than 3 millions, because all around surrender of this house are luxurious projects. Look at this. For example, in Milton is just like 10 minutes away from here. We have 14 mega mansions. The minimum price is 3 millions in Milton. Look, that's insane. This price is insane. This price is just 2.3. Look at this, the difference. It is from the earth to the heaven. In the same house is a huge difference of price. All right, look at this whole of this area, private. I like it. The most top tier finishes in this house. Okay, welcome in. All right, follow me. Let me show you the most. This office, in my opinion, is one of the most top tier office. Oh my gosh, top tier office. Look at this. This combination is amazing. Black and white. It is trend of 2026, this kind of office to inspire you. It has more productivity, more creative, all of this. Look at this, I like it. This office could be convertible in another room or guest room. Look at this, in another room. In all this house, remember, we have 6 rooms, 6 huge rooms, 6 huge bathrooms. Follow me. Let's check it out, all this space. What do you think this, wow, this connection from the first floor and the second floor. That is incredible. Let's keep going. Let me show you one of the most popular and fan space. beautiful space to spend great time with your family, kids, is the living room, the living space, the living space. That's right. Living means enjoy, means lifestyle, means great memories. You know about that. All right, hold this living space. Look at this all around the ceiling. Oh my goodness, it is unique. Hold this balcony from here. All right, follow me and let me introduce this another space you have here. That's great connection with the kitchen here. Oh my goodness, I like it. Everyone here becomes a chef. Everyone, when you stay here, you feel like a chef, like a cooker. That is great. Look at these details inside. In feature light, so beauty, delicate, luxurious, great combination of colors with a floor and ceiling and sink. Everything is luxurious. Everything is perfection. Let me show you something. This is the bonus kitchen. Look at this. That's important. This is the bonus kitchen. If you love kitchen, if you training to your daughter or son to cook something, you have another kitchen here. You have another kitchen with many cabinets here, many cabinets. Oh, look at this, many cabinets here, many cabinets over there. It is unique. Follow me. Oh my goodness, this is like a resort. This is like a paradise. This is another. When you stay in this house, you feel different. You feel grateful. You say, thanks God for this kind of house. That's right. Thanks God for this kind of lifestyle. That's right. It is the connection of this house is like a little heaven. I say, clients, you don't sell or you don't buy houses. You find a little heaven. Another. You buy lifestyle. All right. Awesome. Follow me. Let me show you something nice here. Look at this private backyard. All right. I think this is one of my favorite part because we can spend great time here. I love to cooking outside. Especially on the weekends. Some of my clients says, Josue, I would like a mini pool here or a big pool here, infinity pool here. We can view. You can view your infinity pool here. You can do your barbecue over here. Look at this covered deck. I like it. I love it. All of this design. All right, that is unique. Look at this whole windows. Well, this is door, right? Huge doors here. That's amazing. That is lifestyle. All right, look at this. This is one of the primary suite. We have two primary suites. Great space. I like it. Follow me. Let me show you this primary master bathroom. Look at this master bathroom. Look at these feature lines. I love it. So delicate. Look at these scenes. This is amazing, right? Amazing. It has huge space here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is great space here. Many space here. Many cabinets. I love it. How combination. I love these colors. This is natural colors. Oh, look at this. This space. Private. Oh my goodness, I like it. This close to the bath is all right. That is a lifestyle. That is unique. Let me show you this paradise of master closet. Wow, huge. That is a huge space. That's right, huge space here. Oh my goodness. Each room Each room has a private bathroom. Each room has a private bathroom. Look at this private toilet here. Private. Oh my goodness. Imagine here every single day. This room will be perfect for the grandma or for you. If you prefer living to stay in the first floor, this room will be for you. Let me show you the second floor. The second floor is amazing. I like these stairs. Look at this, so quiet, so beauty. Look at this curve. Oh my gosh, these stairs. Low every single. Imagine here every single day. Jumping here. Oh my goodness, that is great. Look at this chandelier here. Wow, I like this space. I like this house. Brand new 2026. If this house is not ready, still not ready, we're working here. We're still working. In 3 weeks we'll be ready. If you are ready to put an offer, that's great. We can customize the finishes. We can do for you. We can customize something for you if you are ready. Just we work with ready clients, with serious buyers. you serious buyers. Oh my gosh, look at this hall, each room. Oh my gosh, each room is big closet here. That's right, look at it. Big closet, everything is bigger here. Big. 2 big windows, perfect. Oh, look at this, has another space here. Oh, this is the private bathroom here. As well, big. I love it. This is so big rooms. Let's keep going. Let's continue and see another room here. Another room. Look at this. Another room space. I love it. Like it. Every single part of this room. Private bathroom here. Private bathroom. All right. Look at this. I like it so. This thing. I love it. Great. Look at this star. All right, awesome. Here you have another room. That's right. Oh, this is a laundry space. This is the secondary laundry space. We have 2, the primary and the secondary great area. Secondary laundry space. Oh my goodness, that's great. That is the perfection laundry space. This is the exclusive laundry space for the second livers. All right, this is the common area, common storage, and the second living and the second floor. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I am lost here. Yeah, many rooms. Oh my gosh, many rooms. I don't know. I lost how many rooms. This, I think, the 4 room. In total 6 rooms. But to be honest with you, look at this. Another. No, that's right. Closet. This is closet. We got a private bathroom here. You got a private bathroom here. Oh my goodness. Private bathroom here. That's great. And then you have here another space. This space could be, maybe for something fun with your kids, or like a storage. This room will keep, it's convertible, right? It's convertible. Maybe it could be in study room. If you want, right? If you prefer for another space, don't worry about that. Oh my goodness! Let me know what's your favorite part of this private house. This is off-market house, far away. Off-market house. All right, let's keep going. We have another spectacular room. Oh my! This is my perfect favorite room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge windows. I love natural lights. I love natural access. I love natural lights. I like it every single step of this room. This is the secondary master room. This is the second master room for sure. Let me turn all the lights here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is the perfection. This is the master suite. Master suite. Look at this hall of views. Wow, this is romantic. Imagine here with your wife, husband. Oh my gosh, this is like your moon and love. What is in English? Luna de miel en español. In English, let me remember, it's like moon and milk and moon. Milk and moon like that. Let me show you something amazing, something unique. The shower is unique. Look at this, a little far. Let me show you. This is in the middle. I love it. 2 doors. You have right and left doors. That is perfect in the middle. I love it. This is the unique house in whole Atlanta. I think in whole the world with this kind of showers. With this kind of showers. Look at this. In the front you got the private, your private jacuzzi, your private toilet here. In the back of this shower you got the private and mega view. Oh my goodness, I love these LED lights. Alright, my lovers, my followers, thanks so much for all your passion, for your love. Awesome. If you want more details, look at this house is not on the market. If you have more details, feel free, let me know, and I'm so blessed to share and help you with this particular house, unique house. I love you so much. Bye.